The Ulta Beauty Scents for Her kit is available now for $24 with 17 timeless fragrances that celebrate confidence and femininity. If I am lucky enough to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. So the kit will include Ariana Grande Cloud Eau de Perfume 0.05 ounces, Billie Eilish Eau de Perfume 0.05 ounces, Billie Eilish Your Turn Eau de Perfume 0.05 ounce, Caroline Herrera La Bomba Eau de Perfume 0.05 ounce, Chloe Signature Eau de Perfume 0.04 ounce, Dolce & Gabbana My Devotion Eau de Perfume Intense 0.05 ounce, Givenchy Irresistible Nectar Eau de Perfume 0.03 ounce, Lancôme La Vie Est Belle L'Eau de Perfume Elixir 0.04 ounce, Mia Mu Moltine Eau de Perfume 0.04 ounce, Noise Only Human Eau de Perfume 0.05 ounce, Paris Hilton Fragrances Iconic Eau de Perfume 0.05 ounce, Prada Beauty Products Eau de Perfume 0.04 ounce, Sniff Coco Shimmy Eau de Toilette 0.07 ounce, Squishmallows Fragrances Whisked Away Eau de Perfume 0.05 ounce, Taka Lala Eau de Perfume 0.05 ounce, Tory Burch Sublime Eau de Toilette 0.05 ounce, Yves Saint Laurent Libre Berry Crush Eau de Perfume 0.04 ounce, plus a $15 gift card to Ulta. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.